Your testosterone's at its highest the minute you wake up. Most guys just waste it. They roll over, grab their phone, scroll, and before you know it, the edge is gone. Let's change that. Give me 5 minutes, and I'll show you a quick, science-backed routine that supercharges your morning when your hormones are primed. And I'll tell you which testosterone trick everyone's been overhyping and actually doing wrong. This'll take 5 minutes, tops. First, forget ice baths and fancy supplements. You don't need them. All you need is a plan and just 5 minutes. I'll break down exactly what to do, in what order, and why it actually matters. Straight from real studies, not just hearsay. Step 1 starts the second you wake up. Sunlight. Open your blinds. If you can, step outside for a few breaths. Here's why it matters. Researchers found that men exposed to bright morning light for just 5 days saw their luteinizing hormone, the one that tells your body, make more testosterone, jump by almost 70%. Sunlight on your skin boosts it even more. Honestly, 30 seconds is enough to fire up the process. But if you stop there, you're missing out. The sunlight just gets things started. Now you've got to move. Next, hit a short, hard burst of exercise. One review looked at nearly 50 studies, 48, and found that quick, intense exercise, not easy cardio, gives your testosterone a real-time spike. You just need 60 seconds. Push-ups, squats, jumping jacks, burpees, whatever gets your heart pounding and your muscles burning. You want to be out of breath by the end of that minute. And don't wait. The boost fades fast, about 30 minutes max, so do this at minute 2, not after your shower. Now, here's where most people mess up. Don't just crash into the rest of your day. Stress kills testosterone. When your cortisol goes up, testosterone drops, pretty much like a seesaw. So right after your movement, pause. Take 5 slow, deep breaths, nose in, mouth out. Only 30 seconds. Research shows slow breathing pulls cortisol way down. You just did everything to boost your hormones. Don't let stress wreck it before you even leave your room. Minute 4, water, right away. You're dehydrated after sleeping, and that drags everything down, including your hormones. Then, coffee lovers, you're in luck. One trial found that guys who had coffee before a workout ended up with higher testosterone than those who skipped it. Just don't go straight black coffee on an empty stomach if that makes you jittery or queasy. Eat something small, like a little protein, eggs, a handful of nuts, just to keep your blood sugar steady. Last step, the one that gets tons of hype, but almost nobody bothers to check the science: cold showers. The internet loves them for testosterone. Studies aren't impressed. Actual research on cold exposure, no testosterone boost. Sometimes it even lowers it a bit. But a cold splash still helps you wake up and drop your cortisol if you like it. It just isn't the hormonal rocket most people claim. So feel free to do it, but don't expect any magic. Let's put the whole thing together. Here's your 5-minute formula. 30 seconds of sunlight, a minute of all-out movement, 30 seconds of deep breathing, hydrate and eat, cold splash if you want it. That's everything you need to harness your natural testosterone surge, instead of letting it drain away while you doom scroll. Just to be clear, this isn't a magical fix or an overnight transformation. It gives you a fast, temporary boost. The long game, your real testosterone baseline, depends on proper sleep, consistent training, and eating right over time, not just one good morning. Quick recap. Sunlight fires the signal. Exercise gives you that big spike. Breathing protects it. Hydration and fuel keep your body primed. And the cold shower? Not the testosterone hero social media thinks. If you want to learn the sleep strategies that actually control your baseline testosterone, the part almost everyone misses, make sure you hit subscribe. That video's coming up next. See you there.